Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva brand kits for consistent LinkedIn branding step by step clearly. To configure Canva brand kits for consistent LinkedIn branding, start by logging into your Canva account. Once logged in, look for the brand kit option in the left sidebar. Click on brand kit to enter the section dedicated to branding tools. Next, look for the create a brand kit button and click it. You will be prompted to fill in your brand name. Enter the name you want to use for your LinkedIn branding. Now, choose your brand colors. Click on the color palette option to add your primary and secondary colors. For each color, you can use the color picker or enter the hex code directly. Next, move on to the typography section to choose your brand fonts. Select your header, subheader, and body font. You can either choose from Canva's fonts or upload a custom font if needed. Now, look for the Logos section to upload your brand logo. Click on the Upload button and select your logo file from your device. Make sure your logo is clear and meets Canva's upload requirements for best results. Once your logo is uploaded, you can adjust its position and size within the brand kit. Next, add any additional brand elements, such as icons or images, that represent your identity. After setting everything up, ensure that your brand visibility settings are configured according to your needs. Review all the information you entered to confirm it aligns with your branding strategy. Once satisfied with your brand kit, click the Save button to apply all changes. Now, your Canva brand kit is ready for use. Whenever you create content for LinkedIn, you can easily apply your brand kit to maintain consistency. This will help enhance your brand's presence and recognition on LinkedIn. With your brand kit set up, you're now prepared to create professional-looking posts and graphics. Make sure to regularly update your brand kit as your branding evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.